Hey photographers, today we are comparing the two amazing Fujifilm cameras, the X50 and the X-S20. So whether you are upgrading or picking your first mirrorless, we will help you decide which one is right for you. So without further delay, let's dive in. First, let's talk about the design. So the X-T50 offers a classic retro look with the physical dials that Fujifilm fans love, giving you a hands-on tactile experience. On the other hand, the X-S20 has a more modern minimalist design with fewer dials and a deeper grip, making it more ergonomic, especially for the long shoots. Now onto the performance. So both the cameras use the Fujifilm's X-Trans sensors for stunning image quality, but the XS20 edge ahead with its 20.1 MP sensor as compared to the 24.2 MP on the XT50. This means the X20 will give you slightly more detail, especially in the large prints when cropping. So when it comes to the autofocus, the XS20 takes a lead with its improved autofocus system and face eye detection, making it better for the fast moving subjects or the portraits. Plus, the XS20 offers the 6K video recording as compared to the XT50's 4K video, which is a big advantage for the videographers. So now let's talk about the battery life. So the XS20 has a larger lasting battery that is perfect for the extended shoots without constantly recharging. As a price, the X-T50 is generally more budget friendly, making it a great choice for the beginners, while the X-S20 with its extra feature comes at a higher price point. So which one is better for you and which one should you go for? So if you are after the advanced features, better autofocus and superior video, the X-S20 is your go-to. But if you prefer the classical design and the lower price, the X-T50 still packs a punch. So you can check out the links in the description to choose the one that fits with your photography style. So thanks for watching.